In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma Eye Deck. By the end, you'll know how to generate a polished presentation from a simple prompt, refine the content, style it to match your brand, and share it with your audience. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gamma website. On the dashboard, click Create New. This opens the workspace where you'll tell Gamma what you want to build. Choose Generate, then select Presentation or Deck. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you need. Be clear about the topic, audience, and length so Gamma has strong direction. For example, you could say, create a 10-slide deck about social media marketing strategy for small businesses. You can also include tone or outcomes you want, like practical and actionable, or include a simple framework. The more precise your prompt, the better the starting point. Gamma will produce an outline that includes a title slide, slide headings, and a suggested content flow. Read through the structure and make quick adjustments so it reflects your priorities. Rename any titles to use the language your audience expects. Add or remove slides to match your scope, and rearrange the order until the narrative feels smooth from start to finish. Aim for a clear arc, setup, key points, and a takeaway. When the outline looks right, click Continue to generate the slides. Gamma builds each slide, called cards, based on the outline. Give it a moment to complete the first pass. Think of this as your draft that you'll now tailor. Open each slide and refine the text. Shorten sentences, switch jargon to plain language, and emphasize benefits or actions. If a point feels dense, convert it into concise bullets or a simple framework. Enrich the deck with visuals by adding images, short videos, or charts where they clarify a concept or highlight data. If you notice a gap, insert a new card and keep the flow consistent. Next, apply design. Pick a theme or style, then adjust colors to align with your brand, and choose readable fonts with clear hierarchy for headings and body text. Tidy up the layout so elements are aligned and spaced evenly. Keep slides uncluttered, favoring fewer words and more meaningful visuals. High contrast improves legibility, especially for presentations viewed on smaller screens. When you're ready to share, click Present to enter slideshow mode. You can also share a link for easy viewing or export as a PDF and PowerPoint if it's available. Test your link and exported file to confirm everything looks right, and you're set to deliver a professional, AI-assisted deck with confidence.